welcome Tenielle, who won the performance part of the Telstra Road to Tamworth, and Luke Webb, who won the songwriting part.
We just flew in last night at about 11 o'clock, so excuse if we're a bit jet lagged. It's my first time in Nashville. Yeah, it's been awesome, even though the whole 12 hours that I've been here. I'm from Western Australia. I don't know if any of you have been there, but someone has. I'm from a little town called Karratha, where I was driving iron ore trains, and I just recently moved to Sydney to pursue music, and I wrote this song not long after I moved to Sydney. It's called Be My Guest. Driving through the city night, searching for answers through that darkest night. Driving through the city night, lost in all the lights. Feeling like I've been so caught up, I've been so confused in myself. Wondering why can't love be enough, wondering what's even real. 'Cause I got questions, and I need answering too. Yeah, I got questions, and I feel that I deserve the truth from you. 'Cause if you wanna lie to me, lie to my face. And if you wanna leave, then I can be replaced. If you wanna go and say goodbye before you go, look me in the eyes and tell me that you don't love me. If you can't tell me, then be my guest. Strolling through the city tonight, just contemplating life, trying to separate reason from right, heart and soul from mind. Just thinking how hard it all is to let go after all of this time. There must have been something I missed.